Gaining weight for skinny guys like me is extremely challenging, and that's because we have to be eating high amounts of calories like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 calories a day just to gain weight, all thanks to our metabolism. I mean, it's a blessing and a curse because we can eat anything and everything but still not gain weight. So gaining weight for skinny guys is quite challenging. Or is it? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 meals, each about 1,000 calories each, that you guys can add to your diet and gain some weight. These meals really helped me out to reach almost 160 pounds. Before I was like 130 a few months ago because of all the lockdown and not going to the gym. I lost a whole lot of weight, but from 130 to 160, almost to 160, these meals will probably work for you guys as well. Enough chit chatting, let's get down to these meals. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you're new to the channel. Alright, let's get down to it. By the way guys, if you guys haven't seen the first 1,000 calorie meal plan, I'll link it up here. It's more calorie meal ideas you guys can add to your diet. This is just the second version, you could say. Alright, let's get down to it. The first meal that we're going to be having is going to be a omelet. We're going to be getting not 1, not 2, not 3, but we're going to be getting 4 eggs, and we're going to put that into a mixing cup. Then we're going to go ahead and get 50 grams of tomato paste. This is going to be for flavoring, but we're going to add that in as well. Then we're going to get 6 turkey deli slices, which is about 140 grams. We're going to chop that up and we're going to put that into the mixer as well. And this is a hell lot of protein, guys. So if you guys are trying to gain some weight and build some muscle, this meal is going to be nothing but protein. Just watch at the end when we calculate the macros in total. After you put the turkey slices into the mixer, we're going to go ahead and mix it. We're going to mix it until the tomato paste is dissolved. It should look something like this. Then we're going to go ahead and get one pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it. That's just going to add another 120 calories, very easily to put in, and there's healthy fats as well. We're going to go ahead and dump in the omelet. After the minute or two of the omelet sitting into the pan, we're going to get 25 grams of cheddar cheese, and we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle it all over. And cheddar cheese, guys, is loaded with calories. It's just loaded with extreme high calories. So it's a great way that you guys can add to your diet to gain some weight. After that's all sprinkled in, we're going to go ahead and just put the lid on and let it cook for like, I don't know, 5-6 minutes, however you guys want to put your omelet for. After 5-6 minutes, when you guys open the lid, it should look something like this. Just look at that, man. It looks like a freaking pizza. After that's finished cooking, we're going to go ahead and put it on a plate or not, depending on you, how you guys want to eat your omelet. We're going to be adding a banana. This will add another 100 calories to it, and it's very easy to eat. And to wash down the omelet with, we're going to get a cup or 250 millimeters of pineapple juice. And that should be around 130 calories, I believe. And overall, this entire meal should be about 1,008.5 calories, with the total macros being 70 grams of protein, 73 grams of carbs, 48.5 grams of fats, and 3 grams of fiber. I mean, that's just insane. 70 grams of protein. That's pretty darn good. But here are some notes about this meal. It is a bit heavy to eat, so it'll take some time for you to eat, maybe about 20 minutes to finish it, because the omelet is extremely heavy. I mean, come on, you guys are having 4 eggs at once. On top of that, we're having turkey slices on it with the tomato paste inside, with cheddar cheese. I mean, that's heavy. That's extremely heavy. So it'll take you some time to finish it, which is why we got the pineapple juice to wash it down with it when you guys are having the omelet. But overall, guys, it's very juicy, it's very tasty, it's very satisfying to have, and you should be full for a good solid 2 hours. If your metabolism is super fast, an hour and a half max, but for me, it is quite heavy for me a little bit. 2 hours is tops. I mean, 2 hours for food like this, for a meal like this, is extremely fast as well. So that's really good. The second meal is going to be less heavy, but a lot more calories. So let's get into that. We can't have these meal ideas, 1,000 calorie meal ideas, without any smoothies. So the ingredients for this smoothie is whole milk, whey protein, peanut butter, chocolate ice cream, Cocoa Puffs, and a banana. First, we're going to go ahead and put 250 millimeters of whole milk. This is like the OG of gaining weight, guys. When you guys want to gain weight, you always want to have whole milk. 40 grams of Cocoa Puffs. I just love Cocoa Puffs, guys. It just works wonderfully with a protein shake. Then we're going to put 1 scoop of whey protein. Then we're going to put 1 cup of chocolate ice cream. I mean, this is just going to make the smoothie so tasty and delicious. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and peanut butter is like a cheap way to add more calories to a protein shake. It's just a fantastic food to put in any protein shake to gain some weight, to increase the calorie count of it. And they've got some healthy fats. And last but not least, we're going to go and put 1 banana in. After all the ingredients are inside, we're going to go ahead and blend it up. While that's blending, guys, here's some benefits that this protein shake has. This protein shake is high on carbs, which is fantastic for a pre-workout, and I do recommend this protein shake for a pre-workout. It just gets you really pumped. and it's just, you know, the pump that you get in the gym is absolutely absurd. It's crazy. Fiber, guys, we'll see all the total macros in a bit, but fiber is pretty low in this protein shake, and that's for good reason, because we want to be hungry again very soon. We don't want to be feeling full for a very, very long time. This got healthy fats, potassium, as well as protein. It's got a good amount of protein. So this protein shake is somewhat nutritious, you can say. After it's finished blending, we're gonna go ahead and pour it. Just have to make a note, guys, here. This is 2 servings. So you guys need to be having this twice, but it's very easy to drink. Very easy to drink, guys. I think within like 2 or 3 minutes, both glasses are just down your throat. Very easy to drink. Total calories here is 1,029 calories. Total macros here is 48 grams of protein, 117 grams of carbs, 41 grams of fats, and just 5 grams of fiber. I mean, that's barely nothing. I mean, 5 grams of fiber, that should not keep you full for a very long time. In fact, this should keep you full for an hour max. I'd say 45 minutes, but an hour max. Now, there's one thing that I would like to modify in this protein shake, guys, is the fact that I will reduce 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and add more chocolate ice cream to it. The protein shake was very peanut buttery. I mean, if you guys love peanut butter, I mean, there's no complaints here, really. But if you guys want more chocolate, I will just reduce the peanut butter by 1 tablespoon and add more chocolate ice cream. I think it's just gonna be absolutely delicious. Now, moving on to the third meal, guys, we're gonna be having ground beef with tortilla wraps, or tortilla wraps ground beefs, however you wanna call it. And it goes like this. So we're gonna be getting 150 grams of ground beef, 70% meat, 30% fat. We're trying to get as much calories as we can from this ground beef as well. So 70-30 is just juicy, delicious, and, you know, packed with a lot of calories. I think this right here is just 500 calories just by itself. And we're gonna go ahead and fry this at 1 tablespoon of canola oil, and this is gonna add another 120 calories. And we're just gonna go ahead and let that cook for some time. While that's being cooked, we're gonna get our vegetables ready and our tortillas ready. We're not gonna be having this with 1 tortilla, not 2 tortillas, but 3 tortillas. With this, we're gonna be having it with 150 grams of tomatoes alongside with 2 pickles. These will add a lot of flavor to the tortillas, and just, it's gonna be delicious. So the way that I like to make my sandwich here to make it 1,000 calories is we're gonna be getting all the 3 tortillas, and we're gonna be putting 2 tablespoons of mayo on it. Obviously, 2 tablespoons has to be measured correctly here when you guys are putting on 3 tortillas. But this should add another 180 calories on top of that, which is just absolutely insane. Mayo is just one of the easiest ways that you guys can add to anything to increase your calories. It's empty calories, obviously, but it's an easy way to gain weight. Easy way to add it to your diet, to throw up or to increase that calories. After the mayo is put on, we're gonna put the ground beef on all 3 tortillas equally, as well as the tomatoes and the pickles as well. After that's done, we're gonna wrap them up. We're gonna go ahead and grill that. Just look at the sizzle and the smoke that's coming out of those wraps. Oh my God. But trust me, guys, it's really good. The total calories here is 1,500, and the total macros here is 28 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, 80.5 grams of fats. You can thank the ground beef for that, and the mayo, 10 grams of fiber. Now, this ground beef tortilla, guys, I'd have it quite frequently throughout the week because it's so easy to eat, and it keeps me full for maybe about an hour and a half. It's insane how this thing just goes right through you. It fills you up for maybe about half an hour. Then after that, you can feel yourself, you know, becoming hungry again. It's just insane what this meal does. Kind of like the opposite of what the omelet does in the beginning of the video, where it just keeps you full for a good an hour and a half. But this meal just goes right through you. It has protein. It has a lot of fats though, but that's okay. It's delicious, easy to eat, easy to make, and it's just overall one of the best things you guys can have when you guys are trying to, you know, add more calories to your diet, or just overall not be full and trying to, you know, gain some weight. And there you have it, guys. 3 meals that each are 1,000 calories each, and will help you gain some weight because they will not keep you full for a very long time, and they will help you actually eat more food throughout the day because you're gonna be hungry. You also have to keep in mind, guys, that if you're trying to gain weight and you're skinny ectomorphs, and you really want to gain that weight, you do have to eat some dirty foods. You do have to add in some empty calories, like for example the Cocoa Puffs that we had, or the chocolate ice creams that we had, or just the mayo that we had overall. These things need to be added, because if you had all these meals, all these calories coming from healthy things, you're not going to be hitting your calories on a daily basis, just because, you know, these foods will keep you full longer, which is the opposite of what we're trying to do. For skinny guys, it's, you know, it's definitely okay to go ahead and add in a lot of dirty things to it. It's definitely okay because we need that extra calories to gain the weight anyways. So eating empty calories when you're trying to gain weight is absolutely fine. If you guys enjoyed this video and got some meal ideas or just got motivated to go to your kitchen and tear it up and make some meal plans, 1,000-calorie meal plans, give me a like, man. Give me a like. It does really help this channel a lot. And if you guys did enjoy this 1,000-calorie meal ideas, then you guys will definitely enjoy this 1,000-calorie meal ideas, as well as a whole bunch of meal plans here that's suitable for weight gain alone. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and click on one of those videos. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.